Hey guys, here's a quick tip when you're in a house cleaning. A lot of times when these empty houses, you'll have a ton of ice. So, this is going to be really going to make a lot of sense how to fix this. It's so simple, you're like, I can't believe he's making a video. The first thing, push the button and take the ice cube off. Okay, I've taken the ice out and I'm trying to dump it in the sink. I'm telling you, this is so simple, but I didn't. Well, you don't want to sit all day waiting for this thing to melt. So what do? You just turn on the hot water and you spray it out.
Okay, just spray the ice with hot water and watch it melt. Yeah, I know this is a stupid video, but it's amazing. Sometimes the simplest things will save you so much time. Alright, would you like to watch ice melt for the next 5 minutes?
Let's pause here to talk about what you're doing. You're watching ice melt. Alright, that's a great tip to melt your ice so you don't leave ice in a new house. World-class advice. But I'm telling you, it'll save time. Alright, we'll see you next time on How Do I Clean. What did you think of that tip, babe?
That's good. Have you done the vacuum the drawers? Oh, hello. I wasn't.
Have I done the vacuum the drawers?
Tip.
No. Tell me, what is the vacuum the drawers tip?
Take vacuum cleaner and...
Like this backpack vacuum?
Yeah, and you clean out the drawers before you wipe them down.
So
you don't have so much
you suck them out.
And, like there's stuff in there
I was
you don't
trying
even
to suck it out,
realize.
babe. Would you pull the drawer back out, please?
Oh, here we go.
So you turn it on and you just suck it out, and that saves you from having to wipe it out.
Yeah.
That saves a lot of time.
Well, no, you do wipe it out because there will be sticky stuff still.
If there's sticky stuff, wipe it out. A lot of times it's just dry and you can just vacuum it out.
Well.
But babe, this is the video about the ice clip. Alright, so that's a quick tip. You don't have to wait hours for it to melt.
Yes.
Can you tell them see you next time on How Do You Clean?
See you next time on How Do You Clean?
How do I clean?
How do I clean?